Today, we're diving into 15 life hacks for frugal living. Whether you're saving for a big goal or just want to make your money go further, these tips will help you live a more intentional, budget-friendly lifestyle. Let's jump right in. This is Wealthlocity. Here you create, protect, and grow your wealth fast. Embrace meal planning. Meal planning is one of the best ways to save money on food. Start by planning your meals for the week based on what you already have at home and what's on sale at the grocery store. Then, make a shopping list of the items you need to complete your meals. Sticking to this list will keep you from impulse buying. Meal planning reduces food waste because you're only buying what you plan to use. It also helps you avoid last-minute takeout, which can be costly. Plus, you're less likely to buy unnecessary items if you have a list. Buy in bulk when it makes sense. Buying in bulk is a great frugal hack, especially for non-perishable items like pasta, rice, beans, and canned goods. Check warehouse clubs like Costco or Sam's Club, and consider splitting large quantities with family or friends if you don't have the space to store everything. Bulk items often have a lower price per unit, saving you money over time. But only buy in bulk if you're sure you'll use the item. Otherwise, it can lead to waste. Bulk buying can also be great for household essentials like toilet paper, laundry detergent, and cleaning supplies. Use reusable products. Switching to reusable products can save a surprising amount of money. Reusable water bottles, coffee cups, shopping bags, and even cloth napkins and towels help you cut down on single-use items, which add up over time. Not only does this save money, but it's also more sustainable. Reusable items have a one-time cost but can last for years. For example, a reusable water bottle can save hundreds of dollars a year if you're used to buying bottled water. Making your own household cleaners is simpler than you might think. All-purpose cleaner, for example, can be made with just vinegar, water, and a few drops of essential oil. Baking soda works great for scrubbing, and lemon juice adds a fresh scent. DIY cleaners cost a fraction of store-bought ones and don't contain harsh chemicals. Plus, you can customize them with natural ingredients and scents that you prefer, making them safer for you and your family. When you need something new, check out secondhand options before buying new. Thrift stores, online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, and even apps like Poshmark or Depop for clothing can help you find quality items at a fraction of the retail price. Secondhand shopping is a great way to save on furniture, clothes, and appliances. You'll often find high-quality, unique items that are built to last, and you'll be reducing waste by giving things a second life. One of the easiest ways to save money is by automating your savings. Set up a direct deposit or automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account on payday. Start with a small amount if you're worried about your budget. Automated savings help you build your savings without effort. You won't have to think about it or make extra decisions, which makes it easier to stay consistent. Over time, these small amounts add up, creating a financial cushion for future needs. Cooking at home instead of dining out or ordering takeout is one of the simplest ways to save money. You can control ingredients, portion sizes, and cost by cooking at home. Try meal prepping on weekends to make weekday dinners faster and more convenient. Eating at home can cut your food expenses in half or more. Preparing meals in batches also means you have leftovers for lunch, saving even more. It's a healthier option too, as you can avoid excess salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. We all have subscriptions we don't use, from streaming services to monthly boxes. Review your subscriptions and cancel anything you're not using regularly. You can always resubscribe if you really miss it. Canceling unused subscriptions can free up significant cash each month. Streaming services, gyms, and delivery services can add up quickly, so eliminating these costs helps you focus on things you truly value. Herbs like basil, mint, parsley, and rosemary are easy to grow at home, either in a small garden or even on a windowsill. Fresh herbs can elevate your cooking and save you from buying them at the store. Growing your own herbs reduces your grocery bill and ensures you always have fresh herbs on hand. Even if you don't have outdoor space, many herbs thrive indoors and need minimal care. You'll save money while adding fresh flavor to your meals. Switching to energy-efficient light bulbs, like LEDs, may seem like a small change, but but it can lead to significant savings on your electricity bill. LEDs use up to 80% less energy than traditional bulbs and can last up to 25 times longer. Lower energy usage means lower utility bills, and with longer-lasting bulbs, you'll also save on replacements. Over time, these small savings add up, especially if you switch out multiple bulbs in your home. If you're considering a big purchase, follow the 30-day rule. Wait 30 days before buying to see if you still want or need the item. Often you'll find that the urge to buy fades over time, especially if it's not a necessity. The 30-day rule curbs impulse buying and encourages mindful spending. By taking the time to evaluate a potential purchase, you'll avoid splurging on things that might bring only short-term satisfaction. You don't need to spend a lot of money to have fun. Many cities offer free events, concerts, and festivals, especially in the summer. Libraries offer free resources like ebooks, audiobooks, and sometimes even passes to local attractions. Opting for free or low-cost entertainment lets you enjoy life without stretching your budget. It's also a great way to discover new interests or explore your community without spending much. Before you replace something that's broken, see if you can repair it. YouTube tutorials cover just about every type of repair, from fixing appliances to sewing a torn shirt. Learning to fix things can save you a lot over time. Repairs extend the life of your belongings, reducing the need to spend on replacements. Plus, you'll gain valuable skills and a sense of accomplishment. And if you're not comfortable repairing something yourself, many communities offer repair cafes or workshops. If you have a credit card with rewards points or cashback, use it strategically for planned purchases like groceries or gas, and pay off the balance in full each month. This way, you're essentially earning money back on necessary expenses. Used wisely, a rewards card can lower your expenses by giving you cashback or points toward future purchases. Just make sure to avoid carrying a balance, as interest fees can cancel out your rewards if you don't pay it off each month. Living with less can save you money and simplify your life. Embracing minimalism means focusing on what you truly need and value, rather than accumulating things. This helps you avoid buying items you don't need and reduces clutter at home. Minimalism encourages mindful spending and reduces the temptation to keep up with trends or buy things you'll only use once. When you focus on experiences and essential items, you'll find it easier to stick to a frugal lifestyle without feeling deprived. And there you have it, 15 detailed life hacks for frugal living. These tips can help you cut back on expenses, live more sustainably, and focus on what truly matters. Frugal living isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making smart choices that add value to your life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could use these frugal living hacks. Let us know in the comments which hack you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video with more money in your pocket.